So when you first go to the website, you're going to be at the ecosystem homepage. So first, click this button that says Introduction. It'll take you to YouTube and show you an introduction video. And after it loads and you watch it, close it out, and then go back to the homepage, and then read this brief overview of what an ecosystem is. Then go back to the top and click the Food Web tab. Here there's a picture for you to look at to try to understand, and then there's a brief summary about what a food web is. And then after that, you'll click this video, watch it on the page, and then once you're done, click back out of the video and go back to the Food Webs tab and go to Design a Food Web. And then this will give you some steps of how to design a food web, and then click through this PowerPoint to get more information about food webs and food chains. And after that, scroll back to the top to go to the Food Chains tab. Here, it gives you a brief summary, and then you'll click this link for video to get more information. And then after you click the video, close back out to go back to the page, and then there's an additional video in the browser that you'll click to watch. Then next, go to the Build Your Own Ecosystem tab. Give a second to load. There we go. And then it tells you to click on the link below for details on how to make a model ecosystem. So when you click this button, it'll take you to a presentation. So you'll click play and go through the slides there to find out how to build your own ecosystem. Then you'll go back to the main page. After you watch the Prezi, go to Tests, and then on the Test tab, it'll say click here to test. So you'll click this button. It'll take you to a Google form, and then you will fill out this test your knowledge, and then you will be done.